Hey there! Ever felt like your Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra robot vacuum just doesn't want to move, and all you get is that pesky
Error 18. Fan error.
Looking for a professional assistant to help you with this robot vacuum issue? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into how we tackled this pesky problem and got your robot back in action. So, a customer brought in their Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra robot vacuum, saying it just wouldn't budge and kept showing error 18 every time they turned it on. We took up the challenge and started our diagnosis. First, we powered it on and, sure enough, error 18 appeared like clockwork, shutting down the robot immediately
Error
after.
18. Fan error.
After
Reset
digging
robot.
deeper, we discovered the culprit, a rusty fan suction. Yikes! No wonder it was acting up. We recommended a fan suction replacement. We reached out to the customer, explained the situation, and got the green light to proceed. But wait, there's more! Because the robot vacuum had water damage, we recommended a deep cleaning service. We dismantled it, cleaned every nook and cranny, and made sure everything was spotless. After that, we replaced that rusty fan, gave the robot a deep clean service, and ran some serious unit tests to make sure everything was running smoother than ever. Drum roll, please! Tadaaaaa! The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra is now back in action, gliding across floors like a pro. No more errors, just sparkling clean floors. When robots are returned to customers, the customers reported that the robot now works really well and then they are satisfied with its performance. So, what's going on with your robot vacuum? Contact us today for expert repairs and maintenance.